Can I change my SSID number?
Hello everyone. Today we'll dive into a very important part of your home or office's Wi-Fi setup, the SSID, or Service Set Identifier. The SSID is simply the name of your Wi-Fi network that you see when you're connecting a device. You might be wondering, can I change my SSID? The answer is a resounding yes, and today, we're going to guide you through that process.
Why would I want to change my SSID?
Before we get into the steps, let's discuss why you might want to change your SSID. Firstly, changing your SSID can enhance your network security. If your SSID is default or contains personal information, it could potentially be targeted more easily by hackers. Secondly, a unique SSID helps you distinguish your network from others nearby, particularly in an area with many networks.
How do I access my router settings?
To change your SSID, you need to access your router settings. This typically involves entering the IP address of your router into your browser. 1. Make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want to change. 2. Open a web browser and type in the IP address of your router in the address bar. The IP address is often something like 192.168.0.1 inches or 192.168.1.1. Refer to your router's documentation if you're unsure. 3. Hit enter and you should be prompted to enter your username and password. If you haven't changed these details, they're likely to be default values set by your Internet Service Provider, ISP, or the router manufacturer.
How do I change my SSID?
Now that you're logged into your router settings, let's get that SSID changed. 1. Look for a section or tab called Wireless Settings, Wireless Network, or something similar. 2. In this section, find the field labeled SSID or Network Name. This is where you'll see your current SSID. 3. Click on the field and delete the current SSID. Now enter your new SSID. Keep it unique but avoid personal identifiable information for security reasons. 4. Save or apply the changes. The router may need to reboot, which means your devices will temporarily disconnect from the Wi-Fi. Important: changing the SSID will require you to reconnect all your devices using the new network name. And that's it. You've successfully changed your SSID. Remember, while it's fun and creative to customize your network name, always consider your network security when making changes. We hope this guide has been helpful. Keep exploring and stay connected.